In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to 300 DPI. If you're preparing photos or graphics for print, 300 DPI is the common standard that helps ensure sharp, professional-looking results. DPI stands for dots per inch, and it tells printers how densely to place ink on paper. Just remember, changing DPI doesn't magically add new detail to a low-resolution image. It simply sets how that existing pixel data is interpreted for printing. We're keeping this simple by using an online DPI converter. Tools like ConvertTown's DPI converter and the I Love IMG DPI tool are quick and beginner-friendly, and you can use whichever you prefer. The process is the same: upload, set, and download. Start by uploading your image to the online DPI converter. Most common formats like JPEG and PNG work perfectly. You can usually drag and drop your file or browse to it from your computer or phone. If your image is important for a client or contains sensitive content, consider using non-sensitive samples for online tools or ensure you're comfortable with the site's privacy policy. It's also a good idea to keep a copy of your original untouched image, just in case you want to revert later. Next, set the DPI to 300. In the tool, look for a field labeled DPI or PPI and type in 300. Some converters also display physical dimensions, like inches or centimeters. Here's a helpful tip. At 300 DPI, a 3000 by 2400 pixel image will print at 10 by 8 inches. If the tool shows width and height alongside DPI, don't worry. This is just indicating how big the image would print at that density. Many online converters simply update the DPI setting without changing your pixel dimensions. Others may offer options to resample. If you see choices that mention resizing or changing width and height, make sure they match your needs before you proceed. Finally, download your converted image. Save it to a clear folder and consider naming it something like File Name 300 DPI to keep versions organized. You might notice the file size doesn't change much if only the DPI metadata was updated, and that's normal. What matters is that your image now carries a 300 DPI setting, which aligns better with printers and print layout software. That's it. Upload your image, set the DPI to 300, and download the result. Whether you use ConvertTown's DPI converter or the I Love IMG DPI tool, you'll have a print-ready file in just a minute. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!